Hi, Juliet. Good evening.
ஹாய்க்கா, குட் ஈவினிங். கேக்குதா?
யா யாரெல்லாம் இருக்காங்கன்னு பாக்குறேன். ஹாய் சஷ்வினி. ஹாய் தான்யா. சௌமியா, லக்ஷா, ஆயிஷா. ஹாய்டா.
அக்கா, யூடியூப் லிங்க்கும் ஷேர் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். அவங்க ஜூம்ல ஜாயின் பண்ணாலும் சரி, யூடியூப்ல பார்த்தாலும் சரி. தட் வில் பி
ఓకే.
నడు విశాంత్, మళ్ళీ ఎన్సెప్స్ ఎవరైనా కొనేసుకుంటారు.
ஒரு 5 more minutes மட்டும் பார்க்கலாமா? மியூட்ல இருக்கீங்க அக்கா. ஆமா, மியூட்ல இருக்காங்க.
நான் எங்க பசங்களை ஹோட்டல் கூட்டு வந்திருக்கேன், அதனால எல்லாம் உள்ள போயிருக்கு.
ஓகேக்கா.
நான் மட்டும் பார்ல உட்காந்துட்டு இருக்கேன்.
இல்ல, ஒரு 5 minutes பார்க்கலாம், அப்புறம் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிடலாம். ஓகேங்களா?
5க்கு ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்க.
ஆ,
ஏன்னா நம்ம 40 மினிட்ஸ் தானே சொல்லியிருக்கோம். சில பேர் வேற கண்ட்ரிலயும் வந்து லாகின் ஆயிருக்கு. ஸோ
வராங்களா
பார்த்து
பார்க்கலாம். ஒரு 10 மெம்பர்ஸ் இருக்காங்க, இன்னும் ஒரு 5 more மெம்பர்ஸ் வராங்க பார்க்கலாம். ஐ திங்க் எல்லாரும் பிஸியா இருப்பாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன், வீக்கெண்ட்னால.
மகேஷ், எங்க நம்ம எங்கேயா வெளியில வந்தா நம்மள மீறி அது ஏதாவது ஒரு டைம் கொண்டு போயிடுது. இட் ஹேப்பன்ஸ் டு எவ்ரிபடி. இல்ல
தூங்காத கண்ணு.
ஸ்வாதி ஸ்வாதின்னு ஒருத்தவங்க உங்ககிட்ட கனெக்ட் ஆனாங்களா?
தெரியலக்கா.
நான் எனக்கு ஒரு 2-3 இது வந்தது, நான் உங்களுக்கு அனுப்பிடுறேன். பாப்பா ஜாயினிங். நந்தினி, ஓகே ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிடுடா.
ஓகேக்கா. Hello all, welcome to our webinar, that is importance of decimal system. I welcome you all and a warm good evening to everyone. I hope my screen is visible to everyone. So before starting into the exact content, I will show you some of the things. No, it's a green background with a white matter. Could you able to see? Yeah, fine. Okay. Yeah, actually, for starting the decimal system, it's mainly included with numbers and place values and everything. We are going to start with from the basics. Okay. Actually, the decimal, in the sense that the word meaning for the decimal is base 10. Base 10. Here we are going to introduce the entire system based on the we are going to introduce the entire system with the concrete manner. Everything will be, we are going to integrate in the concrete manner. Concrete means we are going to work with the materials, then slowly we are going to move to the abstract one. Abstract in the sense that we are going to work with the numerical values, directly numerical values. Okay, so yeah, anywhere, instead of saying this is number 21, this is number 32, instead of giving the numbers in this form, we can able to give the numbers in the quantity manner. Okay, concrete or in the form of the quantities, we can able to introduce the numbers. Like a 21 means having the two tens, 110, 210, then this is the form of the 21. So this is the quantities. We are going to give the quantities to our child before introducing the symbol. So these kind of the numbers we call as the symbols. Yeah, sure. We call as the symbols, so that before introducing the numbers we can able to give the quantity representation. Okay, this representation helps our child to recognize the 21 having 1 unit and 2 tens. Okay, likewise only we are going to use the this kind of the materials till number 1 to 9,000. Not only for the number representation, we can use the same material to work with 1 to 9,000 for all arithmetic operations. All arithmetic operations means addition, subtraction, multiplication as well as the division. So everything we can able to done using the materials. At the same time we can able to move to the abstract also. Okay, I will show the one by one step how to introduce these kind of the quantities to our child and when to introduce, why we need these kind of the materials. I will give the all those explanation now. Yeah. So the kind when we are going with the Montessori materials, the basic thing will be, the first thing we need to introduce the quantities first. Okay, the quantities part will be first, then we need to introduce the symbol format. Symbol means now I have written 21, 31 like this, so that is called as the symbols. Okay, quantities means using the materials and show these kind of the things as tens and 110, 210. Okay, so that is the basic thing. Wherever you are working with the Montessori mathematics material, the part will be, first we need to introduce the concrete part. Concrete means quantities first, then we need to introduce the symbol. Okay, so the first step is to introduce the decimal system, like 100, above 100, 100 to 9,000. The child will know the basic thing will be 1 to 100, either in the written form 1 to 100, either in the written form, or the child can able to identify the numbers. Okay, identify the number. Number in the sense that this is 31 like this. Suppose if child is not aware of all those things 1 to 100, we can able to introduce using the same material. For that we need to introduce the numbers. Okay, first I will explain. To introduce the number 1 to 100, okay, to our child 1 to 100, all we need is 9 tens. I will show it to you, and 9 units. So actually till 99 only we can able to introduce, then we'll slowly move to 100. So this is the corresponding material. Okay, 9 tens, 110, 210, then units. Okay, so first step is we can, yeah. So how we are going to introduce the numbers? So this is one unit. So you may use the same kind of the golden beads material, or you can use any kind of the loose pots, okay, like pebbles or channas or anything to introduce 1 to 9 using these kind of the material. This is 1. So this is 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3. Likewise, the first step we need to introduce the number 1 to 9. Once the child able to count 1, 2, 3 using the loose pots or these kind of the materials, the next step we may introduce the numeral part. Okay, in the numeral part child need to match the number along the quantities. So this is 1, so this is 2, and this is 3. Likewise, the second part the child need to match the quantities along the numerals. These are called as the numerals, these are called as the quantities. Okay, this is the first step. We need to introduce the numbers 1 to 9 in this way. Okay, so that the child can able to count the quantities, or also the child can able to identify the symbol part also. This is 3 and 4 likewise. Okay, then once this part will be done, we can slowly move to the next part, that is introducing the tens. So once child will know 1, 2, 3, 4, so we can able to give this 10 bar to our child and ask them to count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 10. Also we can ask our child to match this particular quantity to 10. 10. Okay, so if the child will clearly know 1 to 10 in every order, that is 1, 2, 3 up to 10, then we can able to introduce the other numbers. Okay, the first step 1 to 10 we need to give the quantities along the symbol, that is symbolic representation. Once the child will be clear about this, then we can able to introduce 11 to 19. That is the next part. This is very important, because here we are having the teen numbers, teen in the order sense, then 11, 12, 13, 14. While introducing this number set alone, we need to give the stress in the teen part. So I will show it to you how to introduce that particular thing to our kids. So in authentic Montessori centers or schools, we are having the teen board. So likewise we are having the teen board. Just I have written everything. Okay, suppose if you don't have the teen board, use any paper or use any board or like a slide or anything you may written like this. Okay, 10, 10, 10, 10 5 times, and another paper you may write on 4 times, so that in this particular teen board helps our child to introduce the teen numbers. Likewise, so already the child will know 10, so I am going to place the number 1. Okay, so correspondingly I am going to take my beads also. This is 110, then 1 unit. So 10 plus 1 makes 11. Okay, here we are going to give the quantities along the symbolic representation also. So the child can able to know that 10 plus 1 makes 11, and unconsciously the child will study like in 11 we are having 1 unit and 1 tenth. Okay, while working with these kind of the things, and while we are giving the representation like in this form, unconsciously the child can able to learn we are having the in 11 we are having the one unit and 1 tenth. So when coming with the 12, we need 1 tenth and 2 units. Okay, in the same manner we can able to introduce the all the numbers and 3 units. Okay, we may put it like this so that it's easy to 10 plus so 10 plus 3 makes 13. Okay, so that in this way we can able to make the we can able to show to our child till the teen numbers. Okay, once the child will understand the teen numbers and the child can able to read the teen numbers, then we can move to the next part. For that we want the 10 board. So this is called as the 10 board. Just I have taken the board and I have written in the form. So here also we can able to introduce the numbers till 11 to 99. Okay, in the another board also I am having the 60, 70, 80, 90. So how I will introduce how to introduce the number above 19. So here again we can able to make this is 11. So 10 plus 1 makes 11. While coming to the 19, 10 plus 9 units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 19. When coming to the next point, 10 plus 10 makes 20. 10 plus 10 makes 20. We may give this to our child, ask them to count. Already the child will know the 19. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then after that 10, after that count it. 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, 20. So 10, 10 makes 20. Okay, 10, 10 makes 20. Then we may introduce the 21 here, replacing 0 by 1 and replacing with the beads. So 20 plus 1 makes 21. Okay, in the same row, replacing 2 and 20 plus 2. Just replace the loose beads alone so that the child can learn till the 29 and slowly move to the 30. The same way we can able to introduce the numbers till 99. Okay, suppose the first week you introduce the number till 19 means the next week or after 10 days you may introduce till the 30. Then after that, so likewise slowly we can able to introduce the numbers along the quantities. Okay, this is not in the way just written as the 22 or 23. While talking about the quantities, while talking about the numbers, if I say 33 means the child can able to recognize 33 having 3 tenths and 3 units. Okay, that is the thing important. Okay, instead of in regular schools or in a general way or older way, so we studied at a 33, 34, 35 without giving the symbolic representation, sorry, without giving the quantities or without giving the image for that number. But here we are having the perfect perfect image for number 33. 30 plus 3 makes 33. So in this way we can able to introduce till 99. Okay, once if the child will knows the numbers till 99, slowly we can able to move to the decimal part entire system, like a 4-digit number system. I will show it to you. The next thing, if the child will know still 99, then the first thing is we need to introduce the concrete manner, that is unit, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, units. If the child will know 1 to 99, then we can able to move to the units. Thank you. Tens, hundreds, Maria, and thousands. Okay, that is the next step. I will show you. Yeah. So this is 100. This is 1000. I will show you. I hope everyone able to see that, right? So this is the first step. After the child will knowing the numbers clearly till 99, the numbers clearly, we can able to introduce the quantities in this manner. That is this is the base for the decimal system. Okay, so we need to say this is 1 unit, 110. What is this? 100. And this is 1000. Okay, first name everything, give the name for every materials, so the child can able to know 100 will be bigger, 100 will be smaller than the 1000, because we are giving this particular material, the child can able to see and touch it, and the child can able to feel it. This is lesser weight, this is the heavier than this particular 100 square, so that the child can able to know 100 will be automatically smaller than comparatively 1000. Okay, when compared to the number 1000, 100 will be lesser one. Okay, also this particular thing gives the geometric representation to our child. Okay, unit will be the dot. I will show it to you. Unit will be the dot, and tens will be the straight line, and hundreds will be the square, and thousands will be the cube. Thousands will be the cube. Okay, this geometric representation helps our child to helps our child to coordinate when the child will be working with the problems or word problems without the materials. Okay, while the child will be working with the problems without the material, when it comes the stage, the child can able to read all those numbers. Okay, so the practice only gives the particular kind of the stage. So the first step is we need to name our child. This is 1 unit and 110. What is this? Look up. What is this? 100 and 1000. Okay. Once if the child will be know all those things, we can able to introduce the symbolic representation to match this particular quantities. Okay. Yeah. This is 1 unit. This is 110. 100. 1000. Take this out. Keep that. Could you able to see? Yeah. This is 1000. Okay. So this is the next step. First we give the materialistic representation. Then we are trying to match the material along the symbolic representation. Okay. So don't say that 100 will having the two zeros, 1000 will having the 3 zeros, so many zeros, like that. Instead of giving that kind of the definition to our child, we can able to give this is 100 and this is tau cube. And also we can able to give one more thing. When take down the unit, then run over along your tens so that the child can able to know number of units in that particular tens. This is 1 unit, 2 unit,
3 unit, 4 unit, 5 unit, 6 unit, 7 unit, 8 unit, 9 unit, 10 unit.
10 unit makes 1 ten. The same way you can able to take down the tens and run over to your hundreds. So 1 10,
1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10, 7 10, 9 10,
8 10,
8 10,
9 10,
9 10,
10 10. 10 10 makes 100. In the same way you can able to run over the cubes also. 100, 100, 200, 300,
400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900,
1000. 1000 makes 1000. Okay, so that the child can able to know thousands having the 10 hundreds and hundreds having the 10 tens and tens having the 10 units. Okay, so this is the first step. Okay, you may give us a game like you will mix up everything and ask your child to bring the 1000. You, if you are taking the 1000 in your hand and ask your child to bring the 1000. Yeah, where is the 1000? 1000. And likewise if you are taking the hundreds, ask your child to match with the 100. And instead of that you may take down the 100 be 100 square and ask your child to give the symbolic representation. So likewise we can able to recall the thing. Okay, this is the base. The child need to know units, hundreds and tens, units and tens, hundreds and as well as the thousands. Once the child can able to know all those things and the child can able to know the symbolic representation, we can able to move to the next part. Okay, yeah, take. Yeah, I'll give it to you. So the next part is nothing but like giving the, if the child will know ones, tens, hundreds as well as the thousands. The next part in Mont they will give the layout format. So layout means all the materials. Okay, we are having huge number of materials. I will show it to you. Yeah, this is hundreds and we are having the cube and the rest of the 2000, 3000, 4000 cubes I just took a printout and make it like this. Okay, yeah, make it like this. This is, and already we are having units and tens. Okay, so that we can able to give the layout, entire layout. Once the child can able to layout with the materials along the numerical cards also. Okay, I can't able to show it now because we are having less time. I will quickly move to the next part. Okay, so we need to lay out this materials along that numerical part. Once the child can able to lay out everything, no, there the child can able to learn 1 to 1000 numbers in the both the ways. The child can able to read the number and the child can able to make the quantities also. Likewise the child can able to make the quantities. Suppose just I will show it to you. Oh yeah, suppose I want to make number 300 and 232. So okay, I will 1232. Suppose I want to make the number 1232. If the child will able to know the layout or everything. So 1000 means the first. Suppose if you are taking the units, 2 units means first we need to ask our child to bring the units, 2 units and 3 tens. 3 tens means 30. Yeah, take it from there. 110, 210. Yeah, keep there. Keep here. Then take down the hundreds. 200.
200.
Yeah, 200. 100, 200. Yeah, fine. Then keep it here. Then 1000. 1000. Okay. So this is 1232. In this way, we can ask our child to read the number, and how we need to make it as a in the 4-digit number. Yeah, please read it. 1232. 32. So also to read the entire number, we need to make like this, and we can able to move for that. Yeah. First I will arrange it like this. Yeah, move. Now we got the number 1232. So these kind of the like here we are having each number having this specific color, this having this specific representation. While the child will go moving into the abstract, this really helps. Okay, so that this color also very important. I have moved everything back. This kind of the thing will call as the magic slide. Okay, the child can able to read along that. Okay, so here using these kind of the layouts, the child can able to learn all those combinations like numbers till 1 to 9000. Once the child can able to make these kind of the numbers using the material along the symbol, then we can able to move. Yeah, which one you want? Thousands, hundreds. Once the child can able to read the numbers, we can able to move the arithmetic operations. Okay, quickly I will show only one addition here, because not only the addition we can able to done with the multiplication and subtraction, division, and addition with yeah, addition with carry forward and subtraction with barrow. Everything we can able to done. Why we need these kind of the materials to do all those things means, while the child can work with the large scale of the material, large say the size will be also large, the child can able to touch, feel, automatically the child in their child's memory everything will be registered. Okay, when the child will go to the higher standard, the child can easily remember everything. And moreover, usually in my webinar, my webinar will be useful for the parents, those who are giving the homeschool, and those who are childs who are studying in the traditional schools like the CBSE, IGSE, or ICSE. Because in the in the authentic Montessori school, the child can able to learn everything from there itself. The materials are available anytime the child can able to walk. But in the traditional schools, the child can able to the child cannot work with the materials. But as a parents, we can able to give these kind of the materials, and we can able to teach our child's mathematics easily. So also I will give the incarnation between the abstract part, like mount these materials along that our regular school connection. Okay, because basically I am a mathematics lecturer, so that I can able to give that particular kind of the connection between the materialistic learning, and when the child goes to the goes to the school solving the problems without using the materials. Okay, but that stage the child will attain only when the child can able to work with the materials as long as possible. Okay, so that it's very easy, and the child also having the very interest while working with the material. Within a 1 or 2 months, suppose if you are continuously working these kind of the things, following the schedule, everything, within a 3 months the child can able to learn, read the 4-digit number without any doubt, with all kind of the confidence. And the child can able to form the numbers along the quantities. Once the child will be very strong, we can able to move the arithmetic operations, like as I told earlier, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, everything. Okay, so this is what I need to explain with all the parents, because already I have taken one webinar using this golden beads material. For the third week of this particular month, I am planning to take the entire golden bead set working procedure. Okay, till starting from number 1 to the 1000 and all kind of the arithmetic operations till addition to the subtraction. These we call as the dynamic and static representation. And along that, I am planning to give the always we are giving the WhatsApp support recordings and everything. But for last webinar and this webinar, I am planning to drive the WhatsApp group in the different manner in the sense that weekly I will post the work with your child. You need to complete that particular worksheet. Okay, within a week or 2 weeks or whenever possible, you need to complete with your child and you need to revert back. Suppose while doing these kind of the things, if you are having any doubt, you can able to contact me as any time. Okay, and I will these kind of the materials will be manufactured by our Revati Kadiraka. Is everything will be handmade and everything will be affordable price when comparatively to regular Montessori materials websites. Okay, she will be the owner of that particular stationary zone and learn with Nakshatra. Akka only sold all those materials. Okay, suppose if you want to know about the materials, you can contact Revati Kadiraka. If you want to know about the webinars also, you may contact me or Revati Kadiraka. I hope you can able to understand things basically, right? If you have any doubts, you may ping me in WhatsApp. Almost the time will be over.